I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. So, manifesting is easy. Manifesting itself is easy. Manifesting can be done and happen in 3 easy steps. What makes it not seem easy, or seem to not happen for you, is all your old programmed thoughts. All the thoughts you have from your life experience that now have become stories that you carry with you. Some that were told to you and that you just accepted, and some formed off experiences and things that have happened. One might say finding a relationship is easy, and one might say it's hard. One may say finding ways to make money and keep it is easy, while another may say, I can only get money from my job. These are limiting beliefs. A belief is just a thought you keep thinking. So really, it's a limiting thought. What's the hard part is erasing all these old thoughts and stepping into your power of knowing that your thoughts create. Your thoughts let you choose what you want to have or experience. Your thoughts are the key. You can use your thoughts to make manifesting easy for yourself. It's often thoughts around a certain desire or topic that have built up over the years. So instead of a clean slate, like, wow, anything is possible, I could just say what I want and it happens. You are stuck with old life experiences that says it's hard. That say, well, how can it happen? That say, it's not possible. That say, it's never happened before. Or, I don't see how this works. Or, maybe it works for others, but not for me. These thoughts, at the core, are bad thoughts about your desire and doubt. These are limiting thoughts. Limiting thoughts cause you to have partial results or no results at all. They cause up and down emotions. They cause some desires to happen fast and easy, and other desires not to show at all. Instead, you want thoughts that say, I can say what I want and it can happen. No matter what, no matter the circumstances. Circumstances don't matter, and based off my thoughts, my desire can show up and happen and be arranged for me. Circumstances are limiting thoughts that say, this can't happen, and this is why. But circumstances actually don't matter. Things, people, and situations can all change and shift and conform to your thoughts and your desires. So maybe you do have limiting, bad thoughts about your desire. Maybe you had up and down life experiences. But that's how you grow, learn, and expand, and how you realize your true self and what you're capable of. What you can overcome or accomplish. Life is all for the experience of it. You wanted to experience yourself as a human. That's why you're here, to have a human life experience. If you instantly got all you wanted in seconds and had it done, I want this, got it, done. That may seem amazing, but in time, I'm sure it become boring and the same. But if you're here and you found this video, it can mean that you want to now consciously, on purpose, manifest what you want and see it happen. Manifesting becomes easy when you learn to neutralize the old thoughts and dissolve them. To start from a clean slate and manifest what you want with new thoughts that actually work. Thoughts that work in your favor to get you what you want. It may seem hard, like, really have to change my every thought? But I think becoming aware of your thoughts and their power helps make it become easier and easier. Today I think a new thought that I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. And then I start to see that happen and become true. Then since it happens more and more, the thought remains. Becomes easier. It's usually just the first moments, days, or a week where it feels harder to change your thoughts and catch them, because the old thoughts want to take over. Although what you have experienced may be undesirable, it's still comfortable, and you know what to expect. Stepping into something new may seem off at first, because it's new, but the main goal is to change the thoughts about your desire itself, or the subject of the desire. If you say, I want a girlfriend or boyfriend, yet you also think all relationships are hard to get or find, relationships don't work out, people always end things after a month, having relationships suck, yet at the same time saying, I want a relationship, a girlfriend or boyfriend. All thoughts on the desire and topic and things around it must be the same and positive towards your desire. Not only your specific desire for a relationship partner, but about relationships as a whole as well. Usually it becomes clear what thought is preventing your desires the more you learn about this. I used to think I always meet mentally unstable people who don't mean what they say. And although I wanted a healthy, mature, stable relationship, that is what I got. If the same relationship patterns happens 3 or 4 times, it starts to become obvious. There must be a focus on a negative thought here. And a focus on, I will have this, or have this again, or this is how people are, or this is how it is, even if it's negative. Positive or negative, what you think you will have, and what you think will happen, will happen. That's why they call it the law of assumption. You're assuming something will happen, but you can use that to your advantage instead. So say a wanted story about what you want for those desires that have lots of resistance, bad memories, and bad thoughts about it, and surrounding it. I'd watch my video about a wanted story to learn more on how to do that. Once you see a manifestation happen about a desire you didn't really care about, and that you had no resistance to, you can see how fast, easy, and effortless it shows up and happens. And it's arranged for you. Brought to you where you are. Sometimes. Or you get inspired action that feels good, normal, and natural, that leads you to it. Once you see how fast, easy, and effortless a small desire can happen, or a desire that's new and has no bad thoughts and memories about it, you will notice, oh yeah, that makes sense. That has no bad thoughts about it. No wonder it happened so fast and easy. Or, oh yeah, I did say I wanted that and I felt like I would have it. Then it showed up and manifested. Or, oh yeah, I said I wanted that and focused on it for a short time, and then it happened and manifested. Linked below is a video where I said, I want a shirt that I saw someone wearing. And it's an amazing story how then it lined up and I ended up getting the shirt perfectly, easily, and effortlessly. So see how that was a desire that I just wanted and wasn't very negative about or didn't have memories about it? I just saw it, wanted it, felt like I would have it, felt like I wanted to have it, and then I did. That's also why so many manifesting techniques exist. It's to help change your thoughts. And that's why they say, I let it go, and it worked. It's not that you let the desire itself go, but the bad limiting thoughts about it. You stopped focusing on, I don't have it and I won't have it. You finally let those go. The only thing in the way of your desire is your bad thoughts about it, or feeling like you won't have it. So change that and start to see results. That's my video for today. Please like, share, and subscribe so more people can find me and learn that manifesting can be easy. Comment below what limiting thought you think is in the way of your desire. Thanks for watching.